Hello guys, today we will show you how you can replace the air filter. It's located over here from BMW G21 330e. With size 9 you can unscrew this.
Het geluid. En dan dat het.
Dan juist. Disconnecting the wiring. 4 clips. 1.
Dat mag je me kloten.
1, 2, 3, and 4. And then slide it out that way. And then you can remove the air filter. And maybe it's also good to clean this with a vacuum cleaner, because there is a little bit of dirt in it. The old filter, Gen from BMW, but from the firma, but from the company Male. Made in Romania, 23 September 2020. At 1 hour 23 minutes and 54 seconds in the graveyard shift.
Dat kust ik allemaal niet uit. Dat ziet toch direct vuil na een dag.
Renzo is not installing a KNN for more airflow. Just the genuine stuff.
Ja.
Ik hoop dat geen ijzer vlimmers naar beneden vallen.
Die hangen normaal echt vast van onder.
Oei, kom er nog aan?
Nee. Nog niet.
Last one, the fourth one. Then this connection. Also push on this. Yeah. And then fasten this bolt.
Zoiets pak ik geen torque specs.
Size 9.
9, yes.
That's how you replace the air filter from BMW G21 330e. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.